It's 3:30 in the morning. Alam naman natin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng 3:30. 3 a.m. thoughts. So, may 3 a.m. thoughts na naman tayo. At dahil 3:30 na, of course, it's already morning, no? So, magkakape tayo. So, yung kape natin is Essenso by Lore. Ito na yung huling kape ko sa Essenso for this flavor, the Colombian Mystic. Ang eksena nito is 2-in-1 instead of 3-in-1 siya. So, meron na siyang coffee and creamer. So, yung sugar ko no is non-existent or whatever. Hindi ko alam kung imported siya, but nabili ko sa Robinson. Usually, Robinson lang ko to nabibili. And hindi siya always available. Bihira lang din. So, baka imported-ish ang drama, ang eksena. So, yun na nga. So, balik tayo sa topic natin, which is loneliness. Well, nakita ko lang siya kasi nakita ko siya when I was scrolling earlier. And then, parang sort of trigger yung post ni Kuya sa Twitter. Ganun nga, parang bukas ay 35 na siya, ganyan. Tapos, parang sabi niya, let's read it na lang, para baka sabihin ano tawag yung gawa-gawa. Charing. Nasaan na ba yun? Nilike ko yun. Okay, so sabi niya, I'm about to become 35 soon. Loneliness kicked in and reinstalled Tinder. Wow. Yun lang. Yun lang actually yung ano niya. Yun. Somehow nakaka-relate ako dun sa eksena niya na, loneliness. Ang pangit talaga ng buhok natin tayo. Judging sa person's profile. Baklita. Charing. Yeah, he's also part of the community. And hindi naman siguro siya exclusive sa mga sa LGBT. Yung pagiging lonely at 35 or at 30s. Kasi may nag-comment din kasi doon na, parang he also agrees, ganyan. Kasi nasa 30s na din siya. And parang, ano nga yung sabi niya? Yung comment niya. Nilike ko din. Loneliness pokes from time to time when you're on your 30s. Yun when you're in your 30s pala. So parang siguro sinasabi niya na starting 30s, loneliness starts to, poke in nga, sabi niya. Inulit ko lang. And judging to the person's profile. Baklita din. Charing. Pero, yun nga, sabi ko, I agree on it. Na pag 30s ka na, you'll start to realize you start to realize things, di ba? Kasi it's part of learning. By the way, 3:30 or 3 a.m. thoughts is not a podcast na may matutunan ka actually. 3 a.m. thoughts na podcast is it's a life rant. So, if you don't like the life rant, if you find it toxic, you can skip and look for other content sa channel. Just a heads up lang na wala kang matutunan dito, walang advice, walang ganon, walang words of wisdom. Simple observation lang and life rant, ganon. Anyway, balik tayo sa eksena. So, when you're 30s, marami ka nang natutunan sa sarili mo. That is also where or when you start building your standards. If you're not building your standards way back your 20s or in your teens. And if ever nag-build ka naman ng standards, that is, it's when you reach 30s, you just also start to, recalibrate, ganon, parang, check kung tama pa ba yung standards ko or ganon. And I think hindi lang siya sa 30s, no? I think every decade sa buhay mo is you start to, change. Not necessarily decades, may iba siguro is every 5 years, ganon. Or any time. Pero siguro mas common na every decade. So, may mga realization ka na. And if you're single at 30s, regardless if you are part of the LGBT community or you are simply straight, or you are straight, parang hindi naman simple ang straight. Charing. Kung straight ka, and if you are still single, meaning wala ka pang pamilya, wala ka pang anak, wala ka pang, you haven't built that, ano bang tawag niyan? Unit society. Ganun. So anyway, you'll start to parang think of building a family na, right? So common sa mga 30s na magpapakasal na, especially sa mga straight people, where they have the privilege na papakasal na sila, they will become mature, mag-isip, ganon. Tapos na yung mga laro-laro, mga ganon, mga gimmick, mga travel, lahat ng yun, ginawa nila sa 20s. And they start to, look for a relationship na pangmatagalan. Unfortunately for gays, or sa member ng LGBT, ganun din naman, pero yun nga lang is hindi siya long term. Of course we want, sino ba namang ayaw, diba? Gusto naman na pang long term, pang matagalan. Pero given naman na sabi nga nung isa sa person, nakalimutan ko yung, but he's a space friend, alien yan. Anyway, he's a space friend. Sabi niya na both kasi sa LGBT, especially sa gays, so male to male relationship, hindi sila tatagal. It's because pareho silang hunter, which is I agree. Diba? Walang, unlike kasi pag sa babae, babae, lalaki, yung isa hunter, yung isa naman is, I don't know what's the term for women, but parang sabi niya is mas nag-aano kasi ang women, parang nag-anchor sa love, sa ganon, sa companion, sa pangmatagalan ba. So nadadrag yung male sa ganong system. That's why they last longer, which is for me, I also agree na yeah, that's one of the reasons din, maliban sa commitment and bond through kids. Tama din naman na yung wiring nila is perfectly match, parang gano'n. Whereas sa mga bakla na both are hunters, so pag may chance, kumikembang talaga sa iba, sa gano'n. So kung mahuli mo, edi malas mo. Kung di mo nahuli, malas mo din. So in your 30s, you realize na it's time for you to start your family. But if you're gay, mahirap yon because walang ganon. So yun nga, sabi niya, nag-open na siya ng Tinder. Kasi, just to, parang band-aid solution lang. Look for a partner sa Tinder. Siguro 3 to 5 years, if ever maganda yung nakita niya sa Tinder or sa social media or kung saan man. 3 to 5 years, at least that reduces the chances of feeling lonely sa 30s mo. Diba? So, sa 30s mo. So, there you have 10 years in your 30s. So, kapag nakapagrelasyon ka ng, for example, 3, and average is like 3 years, or let's just say 2 years. So, 2, 4, 6, so at least meron ka lang 4 years na lonely. Parang gano'n. You feel lonely. But, diba? So at least meron kang you feel not alone. Pero in reality talaga, you're alone. Kasi, di ba? And I can say also sa sarili ko na I can consider myself as a lonely man din. Hindi naman siya sad talaga actually. Pero it's better to know kasi mukha lang siyang sad. Well, there are times, yes. Pero in general, hindi naman siya sad. Mukha lang siyang sad because the word lonely parang pero it's a reality, no? Kasi you have to check kasi kung ano ba yung meaning ng lonely, ganon. Eh, may nakita ko sa IG, hindi ko na siya mahanap now, pero parang sinet doon kung ano yung mga characteristic o yun, parang ganon of a lonely person. And parang 10 yata yun, so parang 8 out of 10 is check ako doon. So sabi ko, okay, mahirap tanggapin, but yes. And it's fine actually. If you're lonely, at least you're aware, di ba? Better din yung aware ka na you are a lonely man. Kasi at least, kapag mag-relapse ka, may maisip kang hindi maganda, at least alam mo kung bakit. I mean, somehow, alam mo kung bakit, right? Kung bakit ka nag-relapse ngayon. So, ayun. So, mayroon ka ng parang basihan, this is just because I am lonely. I am a lonely man, so it's normal to feel loneliness, sadness, yan. And, so, chat your friends, go on an adventure, paulit-ulit na lang din actually. So, ayun. But, wala tayong choice. Life is hard. So, ayun. It's just that the sad part lang is 30s, ganun yun, di ba? Pag 40s, ganun din naman. Maging ganun din actually. Kasi paulit-ulit lang din naman yun. Paano mang pagbabago. Well, if you're lucky na you have the means or you have the chance, probably you can change it a little bit by adopting kasi pag mag-adapt ka, especially pag 40s ka na, siguro you're mature enough to accept, that kind of responsibility or that kind of mindset siguro, parang you'll have that mindset na okay, mag-adapt na ako, willing na akong mag-spend at mag-commit ng isang parang parental relationship, di ba? So, ayun, pwede rin yun. Pero, it will take a lot of money and responsibility din kasi. So, for me, as of now, I cannot say it na it's feasible para sa akin as a 30s, yung mindset. Pero feeling ko by 40s, baka gano'n na din. Baka possible na yun. Baka maisip ko na yun, right? Baka ma-accept ko na. So, I think it's okay. Or maybe by 50s, someone na you can parang show your legacy. Kasi hindi naman, of course, as a normal person, hindi mo tayo politiko na we have the opportunity to, create legacy in a big scale, kineso. So, since hindi naman ganon, so, touch na lang the lives of your loved ones or friends or something like that, as that will be your legacy na lang siguro. So, by 40s, if may chance to adopt, ganon, maybe from your relatives lang din, okay, go. So, parang feeling ko open ako sa ganon na eksena. Para lang to reduce the loneliness. Alam mo yun? Kasi it's always there. Sabi nga rin sa isang, it will poke you from time to time, starting 30s to until forever. So, ayan, as long as you don't have your own family. Though, sinabi ko sa'yo, sinabi ko, diba, na I consider myself as a lonely man, despite na kompleto naman yung family ko, hindi naman sila naghiwalay. Mukha lang yung structure. Pero, by technically or sa papel din. Hindi naman sila naghiwalay. It's just a complicated na, as we grow as a family. Kailangan namin mag-adjust and we need to move. So, ayun. Anyway, so, complete naman kami. Thank God, no? So, and in terms of parang family feud, wala naman din kaming ganun as of now. Thank God also. Though hindi din kami close. I mean, I don't know. Close ba kami? Well, for me, sa perspective ko, di mo kami close. But I think it's okay. It's okay. It's because if you're close enough, kasi or masyado kayong there's a chance na pag mag-away, it's painful. Pag may family feud or mas mataas yung chance of family feud. So, I think it's better na meron kami kanya-kanyang barriers, may boundaries, right? So, everyone will, tiptoe. Ganon. So, ayun. Anyway, so yun nga. Balik tayo sa loneliness. Jaring. So, loneliness. It will poke you from time to time. So, pero sometimes you just have to be aware. You just have to be aware. Awareness lang naman din yan siguro. If you are aware na you are alone or you are a lonely man, you know what to do, where to go, ganon, or how to cure it, or how to hindi siya kasi maki-cure kasi yun yung reality, yun yung maging ikaw na since you don't have a family, right? So I think yun siguro yung isip ko yun nga, adapt, or if there is a chance or possibility of having talaga your own child, you have your own child, go. That's better also. For now, yun lang yung naisip ko on how to somehow cure or mitigate yung loneliness as we grow old. Ganon. So yun lang yung chismis ko for this 3 AM thoughts. Wala na masyadong eme. Yeah, yun lang. So, see you on the next episode na lang. Ayers.